Racing internationally, for me as Hamza Anwar racing as a driver, has just changed my perception to motorsport. It's been amazing. What we thought we knew was not enough, and what we're learning is more than enough. So we continue to learn on this amazing journey. I've learned a lot about car setup, car preparation, mentality and psychological mindset onto racing. The list goes on. This year's WRC has been long in preparation. The last two events, I've always been leading my category, but never managed to seal the deal. So I'm gonna minus whatever nonsense I had done in the previous events of having a mentality of driving slowly and getting to the end. And I'm gonna be Hamza Anwar, flat out driver, fearless and flamboyant for the fans. The expectations for this event, I want to finish in the top 15. Hopefully I can get to the top 10, but it's not very easy. Safaricom sponsorship means everything to us. Our three Ford Fiestas would not be what they are without the green branding. It's not just a brand, we work closely with Safaricom. I'm not just doing the national rallies or doing a local WRC, I'm actually representing Safaricom on the world stage. From all my dreams coming true since a young age, from the age of 5 till now, to where I've reached at 24. Amazing, I'm now driving against the world's best drivers. The jam I'd choose to bop to before the event is Tupac, All Eyes on Me.
All eyes on me.
It makes me feel cool and gangster, so I feel like I'm going to eliminate the whole of my competition. My message to all my fans is come out and support me. Follow me on my socials, Hamza Anwar Racing, to keep up to date of the event. It's not just about the event around, but also what goes behind the scenes, all the effort and work we put in. You also get to see inside the stages, a bit of insight from us. And most of all, keep safe, drink safe, drive safe, and make sure you come and watch me, because this year I'm going to be fire.